In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create timesheet in Zoho People. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Zoho People account and you are on the main dashboard. This process is done from the timesheet area, so you will be working in the left navigation and the top menu. As you go through these screens, take a moment to confirm you are entering time under the correct company and account, especially if you manage more than one organization. First, look to the left sidebar and click Timesheet. This opens the section where you can manage time-related entries. If the sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can clearly see the menu labels. Once you are in the Timesheet section, move to the top menu and click Timesheets. This view is where individual timesheets are created and tracked, and it is typically used for submitting time against a specific project over a defined period. Next, find the button labeled plus Add Timesheet and click it. This opens the form where you will define the timesheet details. In this form, you will need to select 3 key items: the employee, the project, and the date range. When you choose the employee, make sure you pick the correct person, especially if you have access to multiple employees or you are entering time on behalf of someone else. For the project field, select the project that the time should be associated with. Choosing the correct project is important for accurate reporting, billing, and approvals. Now set the date range. This is the time period the timesheet will cover, such as a specific week or another range your organization uses. Double-check the start and end dates before you continue, since the entries in the timesheet will be organized within that range. When everything looks correct, click Submit. Submitting creates the timesheet using the selections you made, and it should now appear in your timesheets list. From there, you can proceed with any additional actions your organization requires, such as filling in hours, saving updates, or sending it for approval, depending on your setup. That covers everything you need to know.